Imagine this, you and I both decide to learn Spanish. My reason? I'm planning a short vacation to Mexico. Your reason? The girlfriend you love speaks only Spanish. Now tell me, who do you think will master the language faster and with greater depth? This is how the mind shapes the brain. Your why fuels your focus, and your focus drives your growth. The stronger your reason, the stronger your results. When you align your mind with a clear purpose, you ignite a force within that propels you forward. And once you truly begin to understand yourself, your drives, your patterns, your potential, you step into a zone where nothing can hold you back. That's when you become unstoppable. Stay growing. Coach Shivashankar Kamath, certified NLP practitioner, mind power strategist, life coach, and success trainer. NLP for students, NLP for parenting, NLP for working professionals. For free one-to-one clarity session, please contact me at the earliest. Thanks for watching this video.